Welcome to Learn English Like a Native. A day at the bank.
One morning, I decided to go to the bank to do some financial work. The weather was sunny and the street was crowded with people. When I arrived at the bank, I noticed that there were a number of people waiting in line, each with a different purpose. Some came to deposit or withdraw, while others were waiting to open new accounts or get financial advice. The first step was to enter the bank and choose the service I needed. I had several things to do: deposit an amount of money, open a new account, and withdraw some money from the ATM. Deposit an amount of money. I went to the window designated for deposits, where there was an employee dealing with customers. I gave him the money along with my ID card and the bank card for my account. The employee entered the data into the system, checked the money, and then quickly completed the deposit process. He gave me a receipt proving the amount I had deposited. Open a new savings account. After depositing, I went to the customer service desk to open a new savings account. An employee met me and asked me to sit down. He started by explaining the different types of savings accounts offered by the bank and explained to me the features of each type, such as interest rates, minimum deposit, and monthly fees. After listening to the explanation, I chose the account that best suited my needs. The employee asked me to fill out some forms, such as providing my personal information and signing some papers. After finishing, he gave me the account book and the new debit card. Withdrawing money from the ATM. Before leaving the bank, I went to the ATM, located outside. I inserted my bank card, entered the PIN, and chose the amount I wanted to withdraw. Within a few seconds, I got the cash with a receipt confirming the withdrawal. Additional inquiries. Before leaving the bank, I decided to ask about some other services, such as how to get a credit card or the conditions for obtaining a loan. I went back to the customer service desk where the employee explained the conditions and papers required for each service and provided me with financial advice based on my needs. In the end, my day at the bank was fruitful and smooth. The staff were professional and quick to provide service, and I was able to accomplish everything I needed in a short time.
Some verbs and phrases.
1. Run. He runs every morning. 2. Eat. She eats an apple for breakfast. 3. Read. I read a book last night. 4. Write. He writes letters to his friends. 5. Speak. They speak English fluently. 6. Swim. She swims in the pool every weekend. 7. Jump. The cat jumps over the fence. 8. Drive. He drives to work every day. 9. Listen. She listens to music while studying. 10. Cook. I cook dinner for my family.
Some adjectives and phrases.
1. Happy. She is always happy in the morning. 2. Tall. He is tall and plays basketball. 3. Smart. My brother is very smart. 4. Fast. The car is really fast. 5. Strong. He is strong and lifts heavy weights. 6. Kind. She is kind to everyone. 7. Brave. The firefighter is brave. 8. Quiet. The library is very quiet. 9. Funny. My friend is funny and makes everyone laugh. 10. Cold. The weather is cold today.
Now try to read out loud.
Keep it up. Every lesson helps you get better at English. We're excited to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.